Alright, so this is my technical walkthrough for my gameplay feature. So this is what's going to allow you to pick up the item, and so this is what destroys the item and then allows you to pick it. This is what destroys the item and then it will spawn the new one once it's been picked up. It'll spawn it. This is the function. This is a interface for picking up the item. Going to the BP item, which is just like my function pickup item. The inventory. This is what adds the item to your inventory. So I have literally add item to inventory. It's adding it to an array of what I have in my inventory. So inventory, it's gonna cast it to my bot. It's gonna get the get owner. It's gonna target the bot, which is inventory widget, which is going to add my item to my list. This is the inventory. This is what the widget looks like for the inventory. So when you open up the inventory, this is what it'll look like, and all your items on your list will be named in here. Which on the inventory, the item name, all the item names come back and get put into here. This is on the UIC for the bot to handle the death, handle health. So you have imminent begin play. It's going to set your health to your maximum health. It's going to update your health bar and do all that. This is on damage taken. So you're gonna get damage, and it's going to just like literally tell you, hey, are you dead? Are you alive? What health are you at? And all that. This is where things are going to be a lot more complicated. So this is how you're going to open the inventory. You're going to press the tab key is pressed, so then I have a flip flop to just do all this stuff. So it's going to get. So if it's valid, it's going to set visibility, and the target is inventory widget. So you want that to be visible, and then if it's not valid, you're going to create WB inventory widget. This is the complicated part. Like it does help a lot. Do that. You set it to inventory. You add it to the view. I'm going to add it to my viewport. So it's going to set the input. It's going to do all this. It's going to show. It's going to show your. It's going to show your. It's going to show your mouse cursor when you are in the when you're in the inventory menu. So you have all your inventory there. Next step is what's going to allow you to pick up items. So when the E key is pressed, it's going to get, which you're going to get a get node, which is going to be an is valid node of the inventory widget. Just the inventory widget get valid node, so you want to is valid, create widget, create WP inventory widget, not. So if it's not valid, you're going to do that. Set it. It's going to add it to the viewport. Set the visibility. There's a lot of stuff that does this. Alright, so get overlapping actors. You want it's part of your array. So you're gonna have all this. This is a lot of stuff that I did. This is the long one. Literally, if it's not valid, this is all add your picks up your item, adds it to your inventory. Not valid. This whole system down here literally lets you pick up stuff to your inventory. And then lastly down here I have how my fall damage works. So I'm going to get my velocity, I'm going to get absolute velocity. I'm going to normalize it to a range, and I figured my ranges were around here. Range minimum, range maximum, then I use a clamp float to give me between 0 and 2, and then that's going to be my base damage. On event landed, so this is if you're falling, so this won't work if you're jumping. And it's going to apply the damage there. And that's it for my technical walkthrough. This is a lot of stuff I did for this, so hope y'all liked it.